So this is another chapter I thought that is worth making, because it collected enough questions on it, as historically speaking, enough questions on it, uh, which uh, which uh, do deserve a special chapter treatment. So again, this guy is not in here. It's a brand new chapter. So please copy down that link, download it, print it out, because it describes the situations which show which show how light-rich cartage and uh, carriage of stuff, mostly inbound, and inbound is another provision which is under Part 18, has been historically tested under the CBLE. Okay, whew. With that, we I think we can close out on this good note. So again, common sense and the regulations. Common sense does save time sometimes.